Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a new feature just released by Hailuo AI, Subject References. This is a really useful feature because it helps content creators and AI filmmakers easily create consistent characters, something that was really difficult before and no AI video software could do perfectly until now. Today's video will be both informative and interesting. I'll review the feature using lots of examples across different styles like Pixar, realism, and even famous personalities like Messi and Trump. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Gary, an expert in creating AI video content. In every video, I strive to bring fresh and exciting ideas to you. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to create even better content. Now, let's dive into today's video. To explain it briefly, the subject reference tool allows you to generate videos of a character using just one image and any prompt you choose. To test it out, I created several character reference images using Leonardo AI. To get the best results, I mainly used portrait images and characters from different genres. In Hailuo AI, I went to the Create section, then selected Subject Reference, and uploaded the character images. For my first attempt, I used this prompt. The scene is set in a snowy landscape with a warrior maiden in a blue outfit and fur accents. She stands calmly, facing the camera, her striking blue eyes reflecting strength and serenity. The camera zooms out, revealing her against the harsh, wintry backdrop. The results were truly impressive, with a remarkable level of character resemblance and exceptional video quality. The consistency of the character was spot on, and the video itself had a smooth, professional look. In the next example, I used an image of a woman wearing a flower crown and prompted it with, "In a grand, ancient library, warm sunlight filters through windows, casting a calm, intellectual ambiance. A young woman stands before a shelf, holding a book. Her thoughtful gaze shifts to the camera, illuminated by soft light." The output is really impressive, though there is some slight distortion on her face. The character resemblance is great, and the video quality is solid overall. Next, I tried a 3D Pixar-style example of a girl wizard walking in a mystic alchemy lab. Hailuo AI did a great job maintaining character consistency with the image. The quality is still good, but it's not quite as sharp as the original image generated by Leonardo AI. Here are a few other examples, where I used scenes for Cinderella and Little Red Riding Hood. While the consistency is still maintained quite well, the quality of these scenes isn't as good. This is one of the drawbacks of Hailuo AI compared to Kling AI. In scenes with many colors, sunlight, or characters positioned too far from the camera, the video quality drops, and some videos resulted in quite poor outcomes. I will continue the video with a portrait of a woman in various settings, in the form of a witch, as a soldier, in an outdoor field, and in a scene where she raises a sniper rifle, aiming at a target with the camera capturing her movement. The results were quite impressive, with some scenes looking truly cinematic. However, there were some distortions, especially around the nose, and in certain shots, her face was slightly obscured by sunlight. Next, I created several videos with great quality using Hailuo AI. I experimented with different camera movements and various character actions across a range of settings. These included fantasy-themed aesthetics, where the scenes felt magical and otherworldly, a dystopian adventure theme with dark, gritty visuals, cinematic realism that made the scenes look very lifelike, high-tech, futuristic lighting that gave a sleek, advanced vibe, and even a vibrant market scene set in a desert city, full of color and energy. Hailuo AI did a great job maintaining the character consistency with the provided image. If you upload a high-quality image and use a simple prompt, 85% of the results will turn out really well. The tool shows its strength in generating reliable and accurate results, especially when the input is clear and not overly complex. Now, let's move on to the most interesting part of the video, where I used images of famous personalities like Messi and Donald Trump to create videos. For Messi, I tried 3 different styles. The first one shows him enjoying a coffee at Starbucks in the morning. The second is of him jogging and playing football. And the third has him transforming into Captain Jack from the movie Pirates of the Caribbean. The results were really fun, and it was amazing how much the videos resembled Messi. Next, I used an image of Trump with the prompt. The man stands at his presidential inauguration, raising a clenched fist to the sky as he declares, "Make America great again." The output was really fun and, in my opinion, quite accurate. I think you'll agree that these results are entertaining and capture their personalities well. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.